From the grounds to the sky, innovations has no limits. Hi, my name is Studi. I am standing next to the surveillance drone which is manufactured at SkyySkill Labs. Now, I would like to introduce Mr. Ankit Mondal to describe it in brief.
Hello, my name is Ankit Mondal. I am the R&D engineer of drone department at SkyySkill Labs, and this is a drone that is manufactured in our lab. So there was a problem statement from a state government of forest department, like they were facing some illegal wood cutting practices in their forest, and also some like wildlife, wild animals gathering in the forest area. So they needed a drone to surveillance it. So we came up with a solution with this drone. And coming to this drone, this is not its features are not only limited to forest department, but it can also be used in border surveillances and also some industrial inspections too.
I can see many equipments are installed in it. What are the equipments?
Yeah. So starting from this, the primary focus of this product is the night vision camera. So it is equipped with a night vision infrared camera with two infrared LEDs for night vision and also a daylight camera. The drone is also equipped with advanced navigation system like GPS for remote controlling of the drone, and it is also equipped with the latest technology of lithium polymer batteries. With this battery, the drone can fly for 45 minutes in a single charge, and it can go as far as 20 kilometers and it can climb as high as 5,000 meters. With dual antenna redundancy, the drone is capable of receiving strong radio signal, which gives him the capability to go very far. And it is also equipped with a little OLED display in which the drone shows its status like the battery voltage and the modes it is flying. The drone can be connected with the ground control station in which we can remotely access the drone live telemetry data about its location, whether it's the battery voltage and etc.
So, how it is going to help to the students?
Yeah, so in SkyySkill we not only manufacture product but also we develop like center of excellences in different educational institutes so that the students can get the benefits of learning this drone technology in their institute. Also, they can come to our institute and learn about this drone. We have different courses and like theories and practicals both regarding this drone technology.
And what about working professionals?
So as I mentioned, we are going to leverage the drone technology through different courses which are available at our website.
Okay, that's great. Can we see this in action?
Yeah, sure. Let's go for a flight.
As our drone takes flight, it carries with what SkyySkill Labs stands for.